What's going on, YouTubers? Here's our October update for you. Episode 4 of our high-risk monthly dividend distribution portfolio built with ETFs. ETFs are trending this year. Hopefully it's not a trend and it'll keep growing into the future so we can bring in some nice cash flow. Right now, October is our best month yet, bringing in 95% distribution. We started off the month with $32,900. We're trying to grow this portfolio to $100,000 before we start enjoying the cash flow. So what we make is getting reinvested. This month we reinvested $2,630 back into the portfolio. Let's get into some of the details. If any of you are paying attention, Bitcoin is booming right now. Uptober, they call it. We're seeing some good numbers with Bitcoin. It came in at $71,000 this morning. Yeah, 71,000. Hit 71,000. So most of the portfolio is Bitcoin related to a point. So we're seeing some good numbers as this thing is moving. So let's take a look at our first ticker, USOY, Defiance Oil. This is a monthly distribution ETF, and it came in at 48% distribution, down 27% from last time. I only have one share, so that brought us in some change. No big deal. We'll add to this one later next year. Next ticker is IWMY. This one was a monthly. Its monthly came in at 72% distribution, giving us $33. Oh, that's a 9. And then it shifted to a weekly. As you can see, I'm missing a week in here. Yahoo fail. The first week payout was 63% distribution, so that gave us $6 and some change. The next one, which we're missing here, came in at 51% distribution, giving us $5 and some change. And then the last one for the month came in at 47% distribution, giving us almost $5. Not bad for only 16 shares. Next one up, ticker QQQY, another Defiance ETF. This one also was a monthly. It came in at 65% distribution. We only have 4 shares, so that gave us almost $8. And then it shifted to a weekly payout. So the first week came in at 55% distribution, giving us $1 and some change. And then it came in the next 2 weeks, both of them 41% distribution. So we saw a little over $1. Not bad, not bad for 4 shares weekly. Next one up, ticker WDTI, or excuse me, TE. This one they renamed it. It started with a J previously, but it was a monthly, shifting to a weekly. Its monthly came in at 49% distribution, giving us $7 and some change. And then it went to a weekly payout. I'm missing 1 week in here. The first week 41%, giving us $1 and some change. And then the one I'm missing was 31%, giving us $1. And then it came in again at 31%, giving us another $1. We'll add more to this later next year. But right now we're focusing more on reinvesting into the bigger distributions. Speaking of which, ticker YBIT, YieldMax Bitcoin Option ETF. This one came in at 83%, up 20% from last month, giving us $56 and some change. Next one, ticker NVDY. Don't get it confused with NVDA, which is not doing that great. Got some ups and downs. the last couple weeks on the stock market. So this one was down 10%, came in at 55% distribution. Still paid out well, $265. Can't complain about $265, right? Next one, ticker BITO, ProShares Bitcoin ETF. This one came in at 74% distribution. It was down 8% from last time, but we got a whopping $436 from this one. That was a nice payout. Next one, ticker CONY, another YieldMax coin option ETF. This one went up 10%, came in at 101% distribution. Very nice. We don't have that many shares. We'll have to build on that. But it did bring us $17 and some change. Next one up, ULTY, another YieldMax Ultra option ETF. This one came in at 100% distribution, actually down 4% from last time. But we did get us $350 from this one. Pretty good. And then our huge increase, the game changer, MSTY. Don't get this confused with MSTR. This is YieldMax MSTR option income strategy ETF. This came in at 175%. Went up 75% from last time. 175% distribution. Huge distribution. That gave us $1,439. Huge payout. Great way to end the month, bringing us in over $2,600 total for October. And MSTR is doing really well, especially with the Bitcoin. They're going to announce their profits, I believe, today, maybe tomorrow. But they're killing it. As long as they keep doing good, the people that manage MSTY should be doing good, and we might see a 200% distribution. But like I said, this is high risk. You need to do your own research. This money that I have in this portfolio, if some of these tank and are gone tomorrow, I'm still going to be okay. So understand what you're doing. Get some education on how to invest, risk levels, and enjoy it. Have fun with it. Don't stress about it. If you're stressing about it, you're doing it wrong. So that's it for now. We'll get you another update in November. The elections may or may not make a difference with the stock market, but you need to go vote.